loss recovery. Log on to ovationhair.com and enter News8 at checkout for a special discount. Ovationhair.com.
It's Dress Week at Ross. The latest dresses for spring have just arrived. Hundreds of styles to choose from, and savings of 40 to 65% off department store prices.
Sofia.
From weekend to evening, we've got the dresses
Sofia.
you'll love at prices so low, you don't
Papa.
have to choose
Papa.
just one. Dress Week at Ross. The savings
Papa.
are unbeatable.
5 months ago, Lisa Lynn introduced us to the Hawks, a family addicted to heroin. When we last saw them, they were heading to rehab. Today, they're working to rebuild their lives. Mike Hawk is Skyping in from a Phoenix House, sober living center in New York City. His wife, Darla, joining us from a different Phoenix House facility on Long Island. Darla, how hard has this been for you?
Hi, Oprah. I'm going to be honest. It hasn't been easy. It's been a rough road. But, I'm taking it one day at a time. And I'm just happy to be free. Drug-free.
Drug-free. And how is Caden?
He's doing really good. He's walking. He's running around. He's just a happy little boy, being the little boy he
Papa,
should be.
Sofia.
Yeah.
And how often do you and the rest of the family communicate?
I communicate with Mike like every other day on the phone, and I see him every 2 weeks. Matthew, I sing at Christmas time, and Michael, I haven't seen since I've been in rehab.
Papa.
So do you think it's going to be, do you look forward to, or is there some anxiety about bringing the whole family together?
Papa,
Because
Sofia.
how long has it been since you
Papa.
all have lived together in harmony
Yeah.
as a sober family?
Papa.
Oprah, it's been like 4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
I mean, we lived together, but we didn't live together.
Yeah, as Mike was saying, you all were there, you were together, but you weren't really there. You weren't
Sofia.
really present. And so when did
Sofia.
that happen, do you
Yeah,
think?
no,
When will
no,
everybody be released from the houses that they're staying in now and come together as a family?
I hope soon, because I really miss